Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Morgan from My Little Homeschool in the Woods. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a homeschool thrift haul. Now this video is a collaboration. It's hosted by Jackie over at These Days. She's a homeschooling mama to 4 boys, and her channel is all about homeschool, motherhood, and minimalism. So I'm going to have it linked down below, so go check it out after you're done with this video, and I'll have the playlist linked down below too. There's lots of other mamas who are participating, and I'm sure you'll find some channels that you will really enjoy, so be sure to check that out. Alright, so I don't have tons of stuff to show you as far as homeschool goes, but I did find some pretty neat things that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you what I got. Okay, so first of all, we found tons of these American Girl books. Be Forever. That's a different part of the series, but we found a bunch of them. We have Melody. We have 2 or 3 of those. Yeah. We have 3 Melodies. We have 1 Samantha. Let's see. Nania, I think. So we have 2 of those. My girls really do like these books. They've been reading them like crazy. I got them at Savers and they were $1.79, but I think I did get a discount this day, so I'm not sure how much I actually paid. But you know, if you go buy them new, they're $9.99. So these were a really good deal, and you know, they're in really good shape, so we could resell them if, you know, when the girls get tired of them or whatever. So we have Nania. What else we got here? Leah. I've got 2 of these. And ones that my oldest daughter really likes is Josephina. So we got Josephina. We got 3 or 4 of these. These are some of her favorite ones. I think she's already read almost all of them. This one's a mystery one, so they have some mysteries too. So we got 4 Josephinas, and then we got some Rebecca. I don't know how many we got. 3 of these maybe. They're in really good shape, so we kind of just, I'm gonna get 4 of them. So we really just lucked out on these. And Rebecca Mystery. So these were such a good find. The girls just went crazy. I think we didn't even buy all of them, but because I think there were some they already had, but there was just tons of these that day when we went there. So you never know when you go. Sometimes there's just some really good deals. So we got, a giant stack of those. And also at Savers, we got some of these Who Was books. I found Ben Franklin. Now all their kid books, well, I took the tag off, are $1.79 on these paperback books. So, but these books, we haven't read any, so I don't know how well we're going to like them yet. They have some really great pictures in here. That looks kind of goofy. But I figure they will go really well with some of our Gather Round units, so I've been kind of collecting them when I see them. So we got that one. We got Where's the Grand Canyon. With a map in the back. I really do like the illustrations in the book though. So yeah, and then we got Where is Antarctica. But yeah. So I've just been kind of collecting these, and you know, we'll probably use them whenever we're doing a unit that kind of goes along with that. So that was our Savers haul. We got all those American Girl and Who Was. Next I have, this was not from Savers. I actually bought these off a lady from Facebook. But I figured I would go ahead and add these in because I didn't have tons of stuff to show you. I mean, that's a lot, I guess. I mean, the girls were really excited about it. But these I bought off a lady off Facebook. It's 5-minute devotion for kids, celebrating God's world as a family. It's a really nice book. It's hardback. It's spiral bound in the middle. And it looks like a really fun little book that we could switch out for a morning basket thing, and it goes over different, all about God's creation, different animals. So yeah, I think it'll be a fun little book. So I'm excited about that, to start that in when we switch out our morning basket, so we'll probably add that to it. So yeah, I got that. I think I only paid like $3 or $4 maybe for it. And then I don't have a lot of Usborne books, so that same lady had this book. This is Usborne Activities, 365 Science Activities. So we don't do tons of science projects and stuff like that, but I figured if we needed some ideas for our gather round, we can kind of just flip through here and see if there's things that we would like to try. I don't know yet, but it seemed like a really nice book, so I wanted to try it out for the kids. There's lots of crafts and stuff. It's a really good, really nice book. I think I gave $5 for this one, just because I wanted to try it out. But yeah, so there's that one. And also I got another Usborne Lift a Flap measuring book. So this has a bunch of little flaps that you lift up. It's all about different measuring. So yeah, you just lift the little flaps like that. And it goes over how long. I think that's a ruler. Flat shapes, volume, measuring mass, measuring time, speed, how hot. I thought this would be kind of a fun book for the kids to do. We can kind of do it together, like on our fun Friday days and stuff like that. We haven't used it yet, but that's the plan. Measuring challenge. I think that's it. So got a couple good Usborne books. They're really nice books. We don't hardly ever find Usborne books used. So I thought these were really nice. So I'm excited to try them out. Alright. Alright, so that's it for this video. It's kind of a small haul, I know, but we just got back from vacation and I didn't get a chance to go thrifting again before the date of this collaboration. So I thank you so much for watching, and be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.